Have you ever wondered how some people seem to be able to create the life of their dreams, while others struggle to make ends meet?
The answer lies in understanding the power of the law of consciousness and how to use it to your advantage. In this video, we will explore this powerful law and how it can help you create the life you have always wanted.
You will learn how to use your feelings and imagination to create your reality, connect with your subconscious mind, and unlock the power of sleep to manifest your desires. By the end of this video, you will have the tools and knowledge to take control of your thoughts, feelings, and life. Have you ever wished that you could change your circumstances? Well, reading Feeling is the Secret can help you achieve this goal. In this book, Neville Goddard explains how we can use our feelings and imagination to shape our external circumstances. Friends, before we move further in the video, I would request you to please hit the subscribe button to stay apprised of our latest videos. Feeling is a Secret covers a lot of ground, from understanding how to create perfect reality through reading books on our chosen art to mastering the mechanism used to create reality and achieving your dreams, with consciousness being key. Knowledge of its law and method enables individuals to build their ideal worlds, while consciousness remains as reality's one true nature.
Reading Feeling is the Secret is an amazing way to improve yourself both mentally and spiritually. So don't wait any longer.
The conscious and subconscious are intertwined, with the former being personal and selective while the latter is impersonal and non-selective.
According to the law of consciousness, ideas must first be conceived by the conscious mind before they can impress upon the subconscious for manifestation.
This means that you have control over what you think and feel. You are in charge of your own reality. In order to achieve this level of control, it's important to entertain only positive thoughts.
This isn't always easy, but it's necessary if you want to prevent undesirable states from manifesting within your reality via impression on your subconscious, as feeling acts as an intermediary between thought process into objectification via action principles set forth by this law of consciousness.
By mastering your thoughts and feelings, you can achieve total control over your life and destiny. The law of a full and happy life is a powerful philosophy that can help you to control your ideas and feelings. This law states that it is not fair to do unto others what you would not want done unto you.
Every feeling makes a subconscious impression, which can be expressed if it's not counteracted by a more powerful feeling of an opposite nature.
By understanding and applying this law, you can create the changes that you desire in life. To fully understand this law, it's important to understand how emotions work.
Every emotion has a corresponding subconscious state.
These states are often invisible to us, but they are there nonetheless.
When we experience an emotion, our subconscious state changes.
This change can be seen in the way that we behave. For example, if I am angry, I might act impulsively or aggressively.
When we have negative emotions such as anger, guilt, or anxiety, these emotions tend to suppress other emotions such as happiness or love.
This suppression of other emotions can lead to disease both within ourselves and in surrounding environments. It's important to guard against negative moods and focus on positive ones in order to achieve your goals successfully. By following the law of a full and happy life, you can create the life that you want and deserve.
Many people view the subconscious mind as a mysterious place that is only accessible in dreams. In fact, the subconscious is a vital part of our everyday lives and can be very helpful in achieving our goals.
The subconscious serves to objectify your feelings and creates a pattern in which the outer world is fashioned after. This means that if you want something, you need to think feelingly about it, or not just think about it rationally.
Thinking feelingly on any state will impress it onto the subconscious. Thus, if there are difficulties or obstacles present, those will be outpictured in reality instead of success.
For example, if you want to lose weight and find it difficult to stick to a diet, you might see images of food instead of success when thinking about your diet.
Conversely, if weight loss is your goal, and you have been successfully following a diet for some time, picturing yourself enjoying your favorite meal would be more effective than thinking about food itself.
The relationship between man and their subconscious should not be seen as a master-servant situation, rather more like the husband-wife dynamics where persuasion works better than commandment. By understanding how to connect with the subconscious mind, we can better achieve our goals both inside and outside of dreams. In Ephesians 5, Paul speaks of a great mystery that can help us unlock the power within our subconscious. This mystery is the separation of consciousness, which can be seen as male and female aspects.
The conscious or male aspect holds a loving leadership over the subconscious or female aspect. To access the power within our subconscious, we must assume the feeling of already having what it is that we seek. Only through feeling can an idea be accepted on a subconscious level and subsequently expressed.
Our external world mirrors our internal states. Recognizing this allows us to take ownership of our feelings so that we may harness its creative power for change. The contents of our consciousness are solely responsible for what we experience in life. All things come from within, and thus nothing comes from without, according to Hermeticism's 7 principles. Lastly, Matthew 25:29, Mark 425, Luke 818, chapter 19 verse 26 reminds us that to him that hath it shall be given. If you believe you are able to have something, then your chances of obtaining such an objective increase greatly.
Most people know that sleep is important for the body, but few people know the amazing benefits that sleep has for the mind.
Sleep occupies a third of our lives on earth, and by mastering self-control and focusing on thoughts and feelings that will lead to desired states during sleep, you can access the subconscious more easily.
The conscious 2/3 of life are measured by degree of attention given to sleep.
Enhanced understanding and appreciation of it allows us to better utilize its potential as an ally in manifesting desires. In order for one's impressions in the subconscious to be realized, one must feel that they have already achieved their goal before going to sleep. Otherwise, nothing stops realization save for failure in feeling success or possession beforehand. Sleep is like a natural gateway into the subconscious mind. Once you understand how to use it, it becomes an invaluable tool for achieving your goals.
By learning how to harness its power, you can unlock your hidden potential and achieve anything that you desire.
Sleep is an important part of our lives, and it's crucial that we prepare for it in the right way. One way to do this is to feel fulfilled before bed and believe in the outcome that you desire. By doing this, you will create a positive mindset that will help you fall asleep easily. Before you go to sleep, it is important to think about what your desired outcome is. This can be anything from feeling rested and energized the next day to achieving a specific goal. Once you have a clear idea of what you want, it's time to put into action. As you prepare for sleep, enter into a romantic relationship with your subconscious by impressing it with your conception of success.
This can be done by thinking about how great everything will turn out, or simply repeating positive affirmations until you are feeling confident about your dream state.
While asleep, focus on maintaining consciousness of success in order to achieve greater fulfillment during slumbering states. Psalm 95 verse 2 instructs us that before retiring each night we should approach our everlasting lover, the subconscious, with singing and thanksgiving. This will help ground us and make sure we are resting in God's presence instead of worrying about the future or past mistakes made.
Ultimately, what matters most when preparing for sleep is filling our hearts with gratitude.
Whether we're dwelling on happy memories or anticipating events that we're looking forward to in the future. By doing this, we'll find peace instead of fighting against pain caused by addictions, regrets from past experiences, or excessive worrying over unknown futures.
If you're looking for ways to improve your life, believe in yourself. Your beliefs about yourself, you and the world around you are what will determine how successful you are.
Changing these beliefs is not easy, but it's worth it if you want to achieve your goals. Below, we'll outline some key steps that will help you to believe in yourself and manifest your desires. Before going to bed each night, take some time to visualize a future where you are having all that you seek. This may seem like a difficult task at first, but by believing in yourself and having faith, it is possible. Anything is possible. Don't limit yourself to past experiences.
Imagine states beyond what has come before.
As long as you have faith, nothing is impossible. Understanding that nations as well as people reflect the beliefs that we hold about them is an important lesson when trying to change our own beliefs for positive change outside of ourselves.
It's also important to remember that change begins with each of us. It takes both effort and patience on our part to make a difference.
However, by taking these steps and putting forth effort, success is inevitable. So friends, as we are in the concluding section of this video, let me summarize the major takeaway from the video. By mastering the law of consciousness and connecting with your subconscious mind, you can create the life you have always wanted. You now have a better understanding of how to use your feelings and imagination to create your reality, as well as an awareness of the power that sleep has to unlock the subconscious. With this knowledge, you can take control of your thoughts, feelings, and life.
So don't delay any longer. Take action today and begin creating a new reality for yourself.
Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by liking it and sharing it with your friends. Please also leave a comment to let us know what you thought. God bless you all.